so this is a Valentine's Day inspired look. Valentine's, galentines, schmalentines, whatever you're doing, this is the look. And it's not your typical like red and pink look. It's like, I mean, I can do one of those if you want me to, but I don't know, I like this spin on it. It's very like sexy, sultry. I love it. And this lip color, girl, shout out to Jackie at So Chic Cosmetics. Thank you so much. Love this formula. I feel like a dark lip always makes you feel like a badass, bossy ass, like, you know. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media accounts. Love you so much. And okay, so face is primed, eyes are primed. I'm going to go in with a blending brush. I'm going to go in with the Morphe, what is this? The Morphe 35M palette. And I'm going to use these two shades. So these two caramel shades right there. And I'm holding my brush like this. To really get it in there. And I like to hold my brushes at the end to let the brush do all the work. I'm going with another blending brush using this brown right here. I'm gonna focus that mostly like on this like contour of my nose. Like really just putting it in this like in this area right here. Now you want to take any like pale shadow you prefer. Morphe and James Charles palette, and I'm using this pale shade right here. You just want like a matte. I want a matte color. Like really pack it on there. I'm just gonna stamp this color on the lid. You see? Like that. I'm going back in with the blending brush I used, the first one, and I'm just gonna blend this all like that. No additional product on the brush. Now with the same James Charles Morphe palette, I'm taking this blue shimmer right here, taking the blue shimmer, and I'm gonna put it right here on my inner corner. You see? I'm going in with the darker brown brush that I used for this part, and I'm just going to deepen that. We're going to do a little wing today. We're going to try our best to do a little wing. You see that little wing we did today? We could do it today. We couldn't do it yesterday though. We want thick lashes today. I guess we'll do a thick lash today. These are by Buttercup Lashes by Brianna Glam in the style Lucia. And I like to put the lashes on the outer part of the lid. So like starting kind of halfway. Like a little over halfway, but mostly on the ends like that, to give that wing effect. Look really crazy right now. Look really crazy. But I promise you it'll look okay. Promise. It'll be okay. Remember, our face is already primed, so we're going in with the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. and then with the KKW concealer in the shade 6. Fenty Beauty. Now we're gonna take our beauty blender that's like not that wet, and we're gonna blend this out. Now I'm going in with Toffee by Too Faced in the Born This Way concealer. So now with our foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth in the shade Toffee. And I'm just gonna pat this all over. Taking our beauty blender and we're gonna blend this all out. And it's okay to get the foundation on top of the cream contour. Now we're going to blend out our nose. We're going to set our face. I'm going to use the Too Faced Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. Not the Too Faced, the Hourglass. And take our sponge, whatever side has the less makeup. We're gonna go in with a bronzer brush. Where's Caramel Cutie? I'm gonna go in with this Morphe bronzer in Debutante. And I'm gonna smile. And for blush, I'm going in with Desert Rose by Note Cosmetics. Packing this blush on. Going in with my bronzer brush, I'm just gonna just a little bit. You know, it's Valentine's Day, so it's like we want pink cheeks, you know? What are we doing now? We're almost done for real. I'm gonna go in with Hustler Baby by Fenty Beauty. I have makeup all over this shirt, but it's okay. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the shades we used from the 35M palette, those two caramel colors, and I'm gonna just blend that on my lower lash line. Oh, let me zoom you in. Then I'm going to take a defining brush and take that brown color we used and just like stamp that on the outer corner. I'm going to go with a black liner and put eyeliner on the lower half of the lash line. Then we're going to do some bottom mascara. So these are by Soul Chic Cosmetics. Jackie, hey girl. I'm trying to see which color I want to use. I'm gonna put this on first and then I'm gonna line my lips. These feel so good and smooth. This is in the shade Culture. Really like lightweight. I'm gonna go in with Mahogany to line my lips by NYX. I prefer to line my lips after using a dark shade. I'm obsessed with this color, Jackie, by the way. It's bomb. But we're almost done, guys. We just have to spray. And so